In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this toothbrush sterilizer, and just going over the box here, it's a UV disinfectant. So what you do, you insert your toothbrush inside this unit, and it uses UV light to kind of like disinfect the toothbrush. It's got an inductive switch. It's got the circulating air, super long endurance, but let's just go ahead and open it up. So I did take this thing out and use it to verify everything was with it, and it works. There's everything that's in the box. And here's the unit. You get a USB-C cable that comes with it. And down in the bottom is a two-sided kind of tape that you're just going to tape this up. You don't have to screw it. And this is a slider mount. It just slides on like that, and you can take this on and off. The charge port is right here on the side. It's a little rubber charge port that's stuck down on the side, and that's where the USB-C is going to go. Right here, I'm going to show you guys how it works. You're going to hold that down right here, and it's like a touch button control, and you can see I'm at 80%, but watch this. Wave your hand in front of it. Ain't that cool how it just lifts up like that? Wave it back. Now it's going to sterilize the toothbrush, and it goes through the percentage of what it's doing. It's using the UV light, and it's got some wind. I think it's sucking in wind right here. It won't stop until it goes through its cycles. You can manually stop it if you want to take your toothbrush out. It looks like it has a fan up in there, and the connectors are right here to let it know that the toothbrush is in there. So let me go ahead, stick this to my wall. Let me go in my bathroom, set all this up, and then I'll show it in action and show you guys what this thing does, because I think it's awesome. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I just went ahead and installed the piece, the bracket. All I did was tape it on right here beside my mirror and in between my cabinet. And I put the tape on there. I cleaned it off with alcohol first, the wall and the back of that. Look how nicely that just fits on there. And then when I want to turn it on, I hold my button down right there. It should come on. Now it's on. So let's go ahead, wave the hand in front of it. So the brush that I use is this one that's I think it's the charcoal, and it's the mechanical toothbrush. It's the motorized one. Check it out. You hit the little button right there. You hear it? And way this is going to work, see how you just sit your brush down there? I actually have two right here. So there's the second one. It holds two brushes very easily, but if you wanted to, this is this type of head. Here's a different style of brush right there. Look at how it holds the toothbrush. Now, wave it in front of it. There it is. It's actually right now going through its process of sterilizing the toothbrush. I think it takes about a minute, but all you would do is just do this once a day. You'd put it in there and let it go. So let's let it run through the cycles and see what it does. Okay, it seemed to use the UV up to about 50%. Now the last 40% it's doing with just the fan. And then it just opens on its own, I guess to it let me know that it's clean. Well, that worked out perfect. Let's try that again. And there it is. Yeah, so it goes through. Oh, it's not going to keep cleaning the toothbrush until they both get out of there, and then it's going to go that route. So it must know when you pull the toothbrush in and out, so you're not constantly just cleaning the same toothbrush over and over. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Bitvae, toothbrush sterilizer. See y'all in the next video.